What if the solution to some of humanity's greatest challenges, climate change, energy shortages, and transportation inefficiencies, was theorized almost a century ago? What if one of the greatest minds in history had already laid the groundwork for an energy revolution that could power the future and transform our world forever? This is the story of Albert Einstein's vision of a proton-powered engine, an idea that could push the boundaries of physics and challenge the very laws of the universe. Today, that vision is closer to becoming reality than ever before. From space travel to clean, efficient cars, this breakthrough in nuclear fusion could redefine our energy systems and decarbonize our planet. Hello, and welcome to Galaxy TVs. Whether you're discovering us for the first time or you are one of our cherished subscribers, we are beyond thrilled to have you here as part of our incredible journey into the future of technology. To our loyal subscribers, thank you. Your unwavering support and insightful feedback have been the driving force behind our growth and constant improvement. We wouldn't be where we are today without you, and we are deeply grateful for your trust in us. At Galaxy TVs, we're passionate about exploring and sharing the cutting-edge innovations that will reshape the world. From revolutionary breakthroughs in automotive technology to mind-blowing gadgets and the future of human progress, straight out of science fiction, we bring the future to life. If you're new here, there's never been a better time to join our community. By subscribing, you'll be a part of something truly extraordinary, staying up to date with the latest advancements and trends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of discovery. Like, share, and comment. We value your voice, and it fuels our passion to bring you even more exciting content. So, without further ado, let's embark on this amazing journey together and explore the limitless possibilities of tomorrow. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting advancements of our time, a proton engine first predicted by the legendary Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a man whose name is synonymous with genius. His groundbreaking work in theoretical physics not only changed the way we understand the universe, but it also laid the foundation for some of the most futuristic technologies imaginable. One of those ideas, first proposed in 1929, was the concept of a proton engine. Einstein theorized that an engine could harness the immense power of nuclear fusion, the same process that powers stars like our sun. But this wouldn't be just any engine. No, Einstein's vision involved using protons, the tiny particles that make up the nucleus of an atom, to drive a fusion reaction and create a virtually endless source of energy. In essence, the proton engine was a dream of a future where humanity could unlock the power of the stars themselves. This engine wouldn't just be for space exploration. Its potential applications on Earth could change everything, from how we power our cities to how we travel. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break down the science. Nuclear fusion is the process of fusing two atomic nuclei together to form a heavier nucleus, releasing a massive amount of energy. This is the process that makes the sun shine so brightly and gives stars their incredible power. But why is fusion so special? Fusion offers something no other energy source can: limitless potential with virtually no harmful byproducts. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atoms and leaves behind dangerous radioactive waste, fusion generates clean, renewable energy. In fusion, hydrogen atoms, abundant throughout the universe, combine to form helium, with energy being released in the process. For decades, scientists have worked to replicate this process on Earth. But the catch? Achieving fusion requires temperatures hotter than the core of the sun, over 100 million degrees Celsius. This presents one of the greatest engineering challenges in human history. For years, achieving nuclear fusion on Earth seemed like an impossible dream. However, recent breakthroughs have turned this dream into a very real possibility. Scientists have developed new materials, like high-performance ceramics and advanced alloys that can withstand the extreme heat and radiation needed to contain superheated plasma. But what's plasma? Plasma is the superheated, electrically charged state of matter required for fusion reactions. Containing this plasma inside a reactor without letting it cool down or damage the walls is crucial. That's where another major advancement comes in: magnetic confinement. By using powerful magnetic fields shaped like a funnel, scientists can keep plasma stable and contained long enough for sustained fusion to occur. This combination of advanced materials and precise control of magnetic fields has paved the way for the next leap forward. the development of fusion-powered engines. Enter Rocketstar. Founded in 2021, this cutting-edge startup is leading the charge in developing a fully operational Proton engine that can harness the incredible power of nuclear fusion. But this engine isn't just for rockets. It could change how we travel on Earth as well. So, how does it work? The engine takes hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, and compresses it into a plasma state. Then, using the extreme heat generated by fusion, it expels a plasma jet that produces thrust. This is the heart of the Proton engine. No fossil fuels, no emissions, just pure energy. Rocketstar's vision is to use this engine to power spacecraft that can travel far beyond our solar system at incredible speeds. But the real game changer? Adapting this technology for everyday vehicles. Imagine a world where your car, your plane, or even your bus runs on fusion. No more reliance on gasoline, no more carbon emissions, just clean, efficient, limitless power. The Proton engine could revolutionize transportation on Earth. Right now, electric vehicles are already helping us reduce our carbon footprint, but they still rely on batteries that degrade over time and require rare materials like lithium and cobalt. Fusion-powered vehicles, on the other hand, would use hydrogen, an element that is practically unlimited. Imagine a car that can travel thousands of miles on a single tank of hydrogen, with zero emissions and no need for refueling stations cluttering our roads. Planes powered by Proton engines could fly across continents in hours, while ships could cross oceans without burning a single drop of diesel. This isn't a far-off dream. It's a future we are rapidly moving towards. We are facing one of the greatest challenges of our time: climate change. Transportation, one of the largest contributors to carbon emissions, is putting our planet's future at risk. But with Proton engines, we have the opportunity to reverse this damage. Fusion technology produces no harmful emissions, meaning every Proton-powered vehicle is a step toward a carbon-neutral future. This engine could cut global carbon emissions by an unprecedented amount, slowing the rise in global temperatures and helping to restore balance to our climate. This is about more than just technology. It's about the future of life on Earth. Of course, no breakthrough comes without its challenges. Building fusion reactors on a large scale requires significant investment and innovation. Hydrogen must be extracted and stored efficiently, and the infrastructure to support these engines must be developed. But as history has shown us, every great leap in technology starts with challenges. From the development of electric cars to renewable energy, these obstacles are meant to be overcome. With every investment in fusion research, we're getting closer to a future where Proton-powered engines become the norm. In fact, with the rapid advances in materials science, magnetic confinement, and computational modeling, the once seemingly insurmountable obstacles are being tackled. Every challenge solved brings us one step closer to a future powered by fusion. The question is not if we'll see Proton engines, the question is when. But the Proton engine's applications are not just confined to Earth. Imagine spacecraft capable of reaching far-off planets in our solar system and beyond, at speeds previously thought impossible. The Proton engine could revolutionize space exploration, allowing humanity to explore the depths of the cosmos with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Current chemical rockets are powerful, but they are limited by the amount of fuel they can carry and the energy that fuel provides. A Proton engine, powered by nuclear fusion, could enable spacecraft to travel at a fraction of the speed of light, dramatically reducing the time it takes to reach distant planets and even other star systems. Missions to Mars, which currently take months, could be completed in weeks. And one day, humanity could journey to the outer reaches of the solar system and beyond, pushing the limits of what we once thought possible. Let's take a moment to consider the global economic impact of a world powered by Proton engines and fusion technology. Today, fossil fuels dominate the world's economy, from transportation to energy production. But they come with a heavy cost: pollution, geopolitical tensions over resource access, and a finite supply that's dwindling every year. Now, imagine a world where hydrogen, an element found virtually everywhere, is the fuel of the future. Proton engines would not only revolutionize transportation, but they would also create new industries centered around fusion technology, hydrogen extraction, and the infrastructure needed to support this advanced energy system. we would see a surge in green jobs and a significant reduction in the economic power held by oil-producing nations. The shift to fusion-powered engines could spur a new industrial revolution, reshaping global economies, reducing energy costs, and decentralizing energy production. For developing nations, this technology offers the opportunity to leapfrog traditional energy systems and go straight to fusion, helping close the gap between rich and poor nations. Technology alone won't bring the Proton engine to life. This revolution needs the support of governments, policymakers, and investors. Over the last decade, we've seen a growing interest in clean energy research, with fusion being one of the most promising fields. But to truly make this a reality, we need a global commitment. Policymakers must create incentives for research and development in fusion energy, and investors must see the long-term potential of this technology. The promise of Proton engines isn't just scientific, it's economic. By investing in this technology today, we can secure a more sustainable and profitable future tomorrow. Countries like China, the United States, and the European Union have already begun to invest billions into fusion research, but more is needed. If we want to see fusion engines in our cars, planes, and spacecraft within the next few decades, the time to act is now. The future is not something that happens to us. It's something we build together. Einstein's vision of a proton engine is not just a testament to the power of human imagination, but a challenge for all of us. It's a call to push beyond the limits of what we thought possible, to innovate, to explore, and to create a better, cleaner, and more sustainable world. But we can't do this alone. We need your voice, your curiosity, and your support. By learning more about fusion energy, advocating for investments in clean technology, and sharing the importance of this breakthrough, you become part of the solution. Together, we can accelerate the transition to a fusion-powered future. A future where our energy is clean, our transportation is sustainable, and our world is thriving. So, don't just sit on the sidelines. Get involved, stay informed, and be part of the movement that will shape the world for generations to come. Thank you for watching today's episode of Galaxy TVs. If you're as excited as we are about the future of fusion and proton engines, take a moment to contribute to our growth by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping our world. Together, we have the power to inspire change and make a lasting impact. The future is bright, and with each step forward, we're making it greener, smarter, and better for generations to come. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep reaching for the stars with Galaxy TVs. Bye.